Is it 1 plus 1? Because the answer is 2. Damn it, why you ask me hard stuff? Oh, is it 1 plus 2? Because I know that one too. And it's not 2. Okay. 200 fish in the tank. Okay, a massive tank. 2 of them are red and the rest are yellow. How many yellow fish do I need to take out to make it 98% yellow fish? So if 2 are red and the rest are yellow, hang on. Yes. And how many yellow fish I need to take out? 2 hard, 2 seconds. I'm multitasking, difficult. I get yellow fish minus yellow fish, 200 fish, 2 fish, 98 fish needs to go.
What? What the fuck?
Wait, there's 200 fish in the tank, 2 of them are red, the rest are yellow. Which means if I get rid of 98... Oh wait, no, 102!
Oh, come on!
100! Third time's the charm. That was a very, very easy math question that I bet even some primary school kids, no, kindergarten kids could solve. If the kindergarten's in China, then yes, I'm pretty sure. I saw that coming and I still couldn't avoid it. Oh shit, snow. This cyclist is being a cyclist and this taxi doesn't want to deal. But I'm on a fat bike but still skinny car, so I can just go through. Hey, it's a monocycle! What a cool guy.